Hi everyone, my name's Electric Donkey and welcome back to another NPC tutorial thing we're doing. Um, so I've been away on holiday for about 2 weeks if you hadn't noticed. So I don't have a clue what we're doing right now. I've completely forgotten whatever we were doing last 3 weeks ago. So I'm just opening up the game so we can have a look. Because I haven't got a clue. So I think we got to the fact that if we dropped them in there, okay, so that's working. And then if we kicked, okay, so that was an issue. That was obviously the issue before. Can we still drag and drop items? Yeah. Okay, so that's quite a big issue actually. Hey, that works. So we need to go figure this one out, and I think if we can figure this one out, we're pretty much finished. Just about, I'd say. So let's just press on and get this done. So, what is going wrong? Well, if we think about it, we're not clearing it, are we? That's what's going wrong. So somewhere we need to be clearing out this thing, out the list. I don't know. I can't remember what we set it as. So if sell all items. Okay, we set it as pop list, and we appear to be clearing it there. So just as a point of debugging. So I think I've used this before, but this is a pretty good way of checking stuff. So if we do show debug message, and this is in a step, this is going to happen every single moment, and we're going to print the string of our DS list. And do we want this? Maybe. DS list find index, find value. Yeah, find value. And then what's a thing called pot list and position 0, I'm gonna say. So what this should do is it should print out nothing, 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 and nothing, and then as soon as we pop something in that little box, it should say, yes, we've put something in that box. Then when we go to sell it, we need to see whether it's still saying there's nothing in that box, or saying there is something still in that box, because in theory there shouldn't be something in that box, because we just sold what, oh my god. Right. Is not set before reading it. Well, that's interesting. Object selling NPC pot list not set. Where did we actually set it? That's another thing to know. Did we set it in the step event? That's something silly. No. Oh, that's it. We set it in the inventory, so we need to do object inventory. Object inventory dot pot list. So now this should have our little thing pop up at the bottom, and it should just constantly roll down here. It should roll all the way through, and fingers crossed it should say, I don't know what it should say actually. I don't know which would be easier, but either way it will give us insight as to what's going wrong. So it's undefined at the minute, which is what we want, I think. So let's just, there we go, we've got some items there, I think. Oh, hang on a minute, which ones? There we go. Now let's drag it in there. Okay, so now we've got 3. So this is the little item thing that's going in there. So now if we go to sell it, okay, fingers crossed. Yeah, so it's that list has gone back to normal. Okay. So it's not that list that is the issue. Which in some ways is good, in some ways isn't. So what other possible things have we got that's going wrong? Hang on a minute. I've just noticed something incredibly big here. Well, if we're selling all items, right? We're adding from our gold to the potential gold, then we're clearing the list, but we've completely forgotten to set the global pot gold back to 0. Oh my word. So guys, to fix this really simple issue, all you have to do is put global.pot gold equals 0. And I'm 100% certain now this is gonna, well, it's GameMaker, so I'm gonna say like 99% here. Certain that it's gonna work. Oh my god. This better work now. We've been so long on this issue, haven't we? It'd be stupid if it was just that simple. Right. Oh my word. It was as well, guys. Would you look at that, it doesn't work anymore. Would you look at that? And let's just try it one more time just for certain. It doesn't work. So there you have it, guys. We have now made an inventory and a selling bit. Well, we didn't make the inventory, Heartbeast made the inventory, but we've made a selling bit for the inventory. Where if we drag this into that slot, we can then sell the items. There we go. Isn't that brilliant? I'm just checking here. Ow. That appears not to work, which is interesting. Not a really big issue, but we can try and fix that in the last like 2 minutes we've got here. We can also get rid of this debugging one because we don't need that anymore. So for some reason in here we've got okay, hang on a minute. Oh wait, that is right. If options equals that, global.pot gold is back to that. DS list size, is that the right way around? Check for I being bigger than the DS list size, no, that's right. Script item pickup. In theory that should work. So we're just gonna leave that for the time being, to be honest. Because I think that's just about this series wrapped up, unless there's anything else I can remember. Let's just think before I completely sign off the series. So we've done, let's just roll through everything we've done. We've added an NPC which you can talk to and stuff. We've added an NPC which you can get quests from. And we've added an NPC which you can sell stuff from. You can drop it in that little box, and then you can sell that little box. You can sell whatever's in that box, and that works, I think. But you can only sell it once. You can still use the inventory. I think that's just about it, guys. I think we have finished another series. So we've done all 3 NPCs. You know, they're all working. One of them's not working quite as intentional. That was a selling NPC, but I can't bear to spend another video debugging it because I'm pretty sure you guys are probably getting bored out of your minds. So if you have any ideas for another series, so don't have anything planned. If it comes to next Tuesday and I haven't got any suggestions, then I will just make something up and do that. But otherwise, guys, oh, poet. That is it for this video, and this is it for the series. So if you enjoyed this video or series, remember to like, subscribe, or just do whatever you guys want to do, and I will talk to you later.